All right, guys, we are going to use 5 round mag of the glass breaking rounds put out by Duke Defense, the Byrna SD, and we're going to hit that pan and see it's already shot. I'm going to aim a little higher just to see at about 6 feet how much damage it will do to kind of simulate. And now that's hard aluminum. It's a pizza pan, but tissue's obviously on a human not as strong as that. So just to get an idea. So crack the CO2, it's fresh. All right, 5 shots. Let's see what it will do at about 6 feet. A little more realistic. Okay, let's see what happened. That was 5 shots, and I have to look everywhere for them. Let me zoom this out. Oh wow, 6 feet, 5 shots, made a crack in it. Actually 2 cracks, a small one there. That's not bad, you guys. I think that is definitely gonna mess up somebody's day, especially if you aim for the face. They're gonna need a lot of surgery for that. Yeah, that's brutal. All right, let me know what you guys think. If you want to see more videos, let me know, and I'll be making some more videos soon. Thanks. Like, share, subscribe. Keep this channel going.